YouTube. Today we have the Miele CX1 Blizzard Turbo Team. And if you're not familiar with Turbo Team, that means this is not electrically driven. It's an air-driven nozzle. Now, if you're at like 7,000 feet, this might not be a good option for you, but if you're at sea level, this is an excellent option. And the turbo is adjustable on there as well. And all that will park like so. I've redesigned the telescoping wand and the handle. So it's the same Miele fitting, but they've put the dusty brush into the handle. Kind of an interesting thing. Now, of course, you can still get an aftermarket dusting brush. Now, the other thing about this is the hose is tapered, which means this hose is wider here than it is down there. Everything snaps into place, nice and solid. Now on the machine itself, you have your suction control, low, medium, high. You have your cord rewind, your on, off, and that button. So this comfort clean button cleans the self-cleaning filter. It just taps it out in there. So it's not making popcorn, that's what it's doing. You also have your bin release right here. Now these ones are brand new, we're at the VDTA. I don't want to monkey up this machine, so we're actually going to just borrow the same bin I've been using. I guess it will run without the bin in place. You also have a small upholstery tool. They do make a bigger one, but for some reason they put a small one on this. And then Miele standard size crevice tool. Again, they do make a larger tool as well. But that's what's on board. So that's why that's going to be mismatched there. I just wanted to explain that. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to do a pickup test and see how it does. Well, let's see how it maneuvers, and let's pick up the rest of the stuff I left behind. So this guy has the wheels are actually filled with nitrogen, and there's actually a small suspension on the wheels, and that helps with transitions. And there's no transition handy around the show really to prove that point, but that really is an excellent feature on there. Well, let's see how it did in terms of what it picked up, what's around. Still nothing in here. So I feel I've done a bit of vacuuming with this now. I think their bagless separation is actually somewhat decent for being a one cyclone design. You can see there's some stuff stuck on that, but overall I'm pretty impressed for a bagless vacuum. Now the cord is the usual 10-meter cord Miele uses with a one-touch cord reel. And you can see that the shape of this really helps suck the cord reel in good. That is stiff. see there's some hair guts stuck in there. You know, there's no cat litter. I'm really surprised by that. As always, special thank you to Miele for letting us film in their booth today. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and a big thank you to the Patreon supporters for making this possible. We're back at the Lynn House booth with the Miele, and we're going to blow this out real quick, clean it up for Miele. And that's how you clean a Miele Bagless vacuum in a trade show.